is number 9 and number 10 of your exponents review. We are writing numbers in scientific notation, excuse me. If you watched my last video, you learned I popped my stylus, so it wasn't working, but newsflash, didn't break it. We're really living our best life over here. All right, so we have 8,670,000,000. Remember, when we want to write something in scientific notation, we need a number out front that is between 1 and 10. So we want our decimal to be right here. So my number out front is going to be 8.67. And remember, scientific notation also has that times 10 to the power of something. That 10 looks crazy. And we need to count how many spots we moved our exponent, or our decimal, excuse me. We'll move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I moved it 9 spots from its original location. I guess technically my loop should have gone this way, but it doesn't matter. Since it's a really big number, we're going to have 10 to the power of a positive 9. If it was a really small number, your 9 would be negative instead of positive. Again, our next one, we have 0.0805. We still need a number between 1 and 10, so I'm going to put my decimal right there. So I'm going to have 8.05 as my decimal up front. And then we need to figure out how many times I'd move my decimal. We'd move it once, twice to get our new location. So we're going to have times 10. And then my exponent's going to be negative because it's a small number to the power of negative 2. And this whole thing is your final answer. Oh, no, I think I did actually break my stylus. Ugh, guys, I'm really struggling over here. All right, but that is your answer for number 10.